everyone, my name is Shauna. Welcome to my channel, and please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. I really appreciate it. So I'd like to share a review, my opinion of Bath and Body Works Sweet Bunny Berry Body Care. So let me just start by reading you the scent description. So it says, celebrate Easter with this sweet blend of sparkling raspberry, candied petals, and crystallized sugar. So I've got the body cream, the hand cream, the fine fragrance mist, and the shower gel, as well as the hand soap. And let me just say, I love how they did the different colors for the packaging. Comment and let me know how you feel about that, because I actually really like it. I love pastels and colorful things. So the body cream is pink. Shower gel is blue. I love that color. And the fine fragrance mist is purple. And then the hand cream is yellow. And the hand soap is blue. Have the hand soap as well. So I have been wearing this for a couple of days now, and I absolutely love it. Okay, you definitely get, it's very candy-like. It's like a confectionery, sugary type scent, very candy-like. You definitely get the raspberry, vanilla, sugar. It's just very, very sweet and candy-like. Okay, it smells like Peeps, the candy, the marshmallow candies. They're chicks. In the last video, it was like, what are they, ducks? The little marshmallow birds? But they're little baby chicks. But it smells like Peeps to me. That when I smelled this, I was immediately transported back to childhood, and yeah. So I really, really love this, you guys. And this one is very long lasting. It really is long lasting. It lasted for hours. I could smell it, and I could smell it well too. At one point, I only had it on my arms and hands, and I could smell it really, really well. So it's definitely a strong performer as well, and I'm really enjoying it. But if you follow me, you know that I love like sugary, sweet scents and things like that. And vanilla, anything sweet, I'm there for it. I love it, but it's very long lasting. I could really smell it. I was driving and I was like, oh, that smells so good. And I only had it on my arms at one point, and I was like, wow, like this is a really, really strong, solid performer. And I usually don't buy the hand creams because I feel like the body cream is a much better deal. The hand creeps. What am I talking about? Thinking about Peeps probably. But the hand creams are $6.50, and you only get 1 ounce versus $7.50 for 2.5 ounces. 2.5? I thought these were 3 ounces. Okay, so the fine fragrance mist is 3 ounces. The shower gel is 3 ounces, and this is 2.5 ounces? Since when? Is that something new, you guys? Comment and let me know. But I thought these were, the body cream, travel size body creams were 3 ounces. Maybe I'm wrong. Just let me know in the comments down below. But you definitely get, I mean, for just $1 more, you get 1.5 fluid ounces more. And there's not much difference between the body creams and the hand creams. What I will say is that the hand creams tend to be a little bit greasier, which is fine. I have really dry skin, so I don't mind the greasiness to the hand creams. But I mean, the body creams work just as well. I mean, I'll sacrifice getting a tiny bit less grease to get 1.5 fluid ounces more. So the only reason I picked up the hand cream was because my store was actually sold out of the body creams. I went back for more body creams, but they were sold out. So I went ahead and I took advantage of the buy two get one travel size and got some hand creams. But I don't mind because I like the yellow and it's really cute. I just love anything colorful, you guys. I love it. So I'm really enjoying this scent. I got it in the sweet bunny berry in the hand soap as well, and smells really good. Smells the same almost. So yeah, really excited about using that. And what I would say is that I really need this in full size, and I'm loving it. So comment and let me know what you think about it. If you like it, if you don't like it, let me know. I love to know that you guys stop by my channel. And thank you so much for spending the last few minutes with me. And if you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.